Diving deep, number 3. Coming in right after number 2. I'm still feeling that desire to be outside, walking around, watching as some of the snow melts. Thinking about meaning and purpose and questions. And getting to the topic of this third deep dive. What exactly is religion? What exactly is a spiritual tradition? It's a great question. If you're in the World Religions course or otherwise have the Introduction to World Religions workbook, you'll see that I include in that workbook 10 plus definitions of religion. Included is Houston Smith, the idea that religion is about that which is good, invisible to a degree. Or Immanuel Kant with seeing all of our actions as divine commands. Or even Karl Marx. It is a drug, an opiate. So in this dive deep, the thing I want you to think about is, what is your definition of religion? What is your definition of spirituality? What do those words mean to you? How do you want to use those words in your life? And I want you to think about it first by researching other definitions. Going on to Google or Bing or whichever search engine you use, wading through all the muck that you might come across as I step in gushy ground right here, and see what others have to say. See what journalists describe it as. Maybe it's just a bunch of, that stuff. What does religion do for people? That's part of the definition. What does it provide people with? What is it? Look up these different definitions. Find them through the search engine. And as you do, make a list of traits that you think fits for what you define religion as. That demonstrate what religion does, what it provides for its followers, what spirituality does. For me, most simply, religion is the beliefs and actions. It's what we think and what we do that bind us with care, with compassion, with loving kindness, empathy, to others, to a community of people, that whether I'm practicing individually or in that community, I feel connected with them to something bigger than me. So religion is the beliefs and actions that bind with care a person or community of persons together. And then this is where I allow vagueness, because there are so many different forms of religion, so many different forms of spirituality, so many different things that can act like religion. So I say it binds with care a person and community of persons together in their understanding of and response to, emphasizing beliefs, actions, what we think, what we do, the ultimate and questions of ultimate concern. Now, what is that ultimate? I don't provide, in my own sense of the word, I don't provide a statement of, well, the ultimate is a supernatural being up in the sky. For the course, World Religions, when I teach it, I don't say an ultimate power at this point in the definition. I just say in regards to the ultimate. And questions of ultimate concern. Again, not providing the specific question, because sometimes it is about what are the rituals we do. And other times it is, how am I supposed to act ethically? And sometimes it is, how do I come and worship individually or collectively the divine? So that's the definition. That is the official definition when I teach Introduction to World Religions. And when I talk about religion in other courses, religion is the beliefs and actions that bind with care a person or community of persons together in their understanding of and response to questions of ultimate concern. And those answers and those things that are part of the ultimate, that's what is sacred. But I want you to also think about what your own personal definition is. And write it down. And also think if your definition of religion has changed. And over what period of time it's changed, or why has it changed? All right. Have a good day. I think I might be ready to go inside for the next video.